Hello guys, welcome to our virtual science class. The topic of today is circuits, conductor and isolator materials. The purposes of our class are to remember what is a circuit, to identify the parts of the circuits and their symbols, to differentiate series circuits and parallel circuits, to prove conductor and isolator materials. Look at the picture. What do these objects have in common? All of those are electronic devices. Inside of them, we can find different types of circuits and work with electricity. Electricity is a fundamental form of energy. It's observable in a positive and negative forms and occurs naturally and artificially. Naturally like light things, or artificially in different elements like cell phones, cameras, light bulbs, etc. The electricity is the flow of electrons, small particles with negative charge that are present in all the matter around you. So, what is a circuit? Circuit is a closed path that allows the electricity to flow from one point to another one. It may include various electrical components. Like you see the picture, we have the light bulb, the wires, and the battery. Here, the blue spots represent the electrons. The electrons are negative small particles that flow around the circuit and produce the difference in charge. Is the energy flowing from one point to another one and produce the light that you see in the bulb. Essentially, a basic circuit is compounded by a switch, the batteries, the light bulb or another electrical source, the wires. All those parts can be represented by symbols. The wire is a black line. The battery is represented by two lines with the positive and negative poles. The bulb is a circle with a name inside, and the switch. In this case, we have the switch open. That means that our circuit is in off. When the line is complete, we can see the switch in on. That means that the path is complete and energy can flow. We have two types of circuits, series circuits and parallel circuits. Here we can see the difference. In the series circuit, the energy flow in only one line, and one energy source depends to the other one to get energy and work. But in the parallel circuit, the energy flow in independent paths. That means that one resource don't need the other one to get energy and work independently. How to represent using the symbols the circuits? Here we have a typical series circuit. We have the switch, the battery, the bulb, and the wires. In this model, we can represent the switch with the symbol, the battery, the bulb, and the wires. In this case, when the switch is closed, the light is turning on. But if the switch is open, the light is turning off. This is a parallel circuit. So we have 1, 2, and 3 electrical source, bulbs, a battery, and a switch. Is represented by the symbols 1, 2, and 3 bulbs, the switch, the battery, and the wires. We can see that work independently. If you broke the energy flow in one of those electrical sources, the other ones continue working without it. We have the switch, the battery. When the switch is open, the circuit doesn't work because the path is not complete. But when the switch is closed, the energy flow across all the circuit. So our big question is, why are the wires covered by plastic? We have different types of materials. First, we have conductors of electricity. They are materials that allow the electricity flow across the circuit. And insulator materials that are materials that don't allow the electricity flow through the circuit. Examples of conductors are metals, salt solutions, carbon, and examples of isolator materials are not metal, plastic, rubber, air, or glass. Here we have two types of circuits. In this case, we have a conductor. It makes the energy flow through the circuit. But if we have an insulator, the energy don't flow through the circuit. This is the reason because the wires are covered by plastic. It's protection. Like you know, electricity is a strong energy and you can suffer an electroshock. When a conductor of electricity is connected to the circuit, there is a closed circuit. Thus, electricity flows through the bulb, allowing the light up. But in the insulator materials, when an insulator materials of electricity is connected to the circuit, there is an open circuit. The electricity doesn't flow through the bulb. So we can do some predictions. Here we have different materials or elements that you can find in your house. A glass of water, a letter, a credit card, coins, scissors, glass, pencils, balls, paper, a rubber, a can, a coin. You can predict what of those materials are conductor or isolators. Take 1 minute and think. The answer: conductors, water, coin, scissors, wrench, screw, keys, and can. Isolators: paper, plastic, glass, fabric, and rubber. Did you guess all? Now our activities. First, you have to draw different types of circuits following the pattern and using the symbols. The next activity is consult other parts of circuits and match the part with their symbol. So we finished the class of today. I hope you enjoy. Have a nice day. Bye.